Hi guys and girls, hello viewers at Hoop Online. Here is what happening in this video. 16 divided by 16 which equals 1 and 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1 which equals 1, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 16 divided by 16 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 4 divided by 4, and we can write this part as 1 over 4 divided by 4. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 4 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 4 which equals 1 over 16, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe to join the journey.